Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for microeconomics. Begin by thoroughly understanding the core concepts, such as scarcity, opportunity cost, and market equilibrium. Don't just memorize definitions, strive to grasp the underlying logic. Actively participate in class discussions and review your notes promptly. Consistent engagement with the material from the start will build a strong foundation for success. Once you have the basics down, dive into graphical analysis. Learn to interpret and draw graphs for concepts like consumer surplus, producer surplus, and elasticity. These visuals are crucial for understanding market dynamics. Then, apply your knowledge by solving a variety of numerical problems. This hands-on practice helps bridge the gap between theory and practical application, making complex ideas much clearer. To deepen your understanding, consider forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others or having them explained to you can reveal gaps in your knowledge. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing essential terms and formulas, ensuring quick recall during exams. Don't hesitate to ask your instructor questions. They are there to help clarify complex ideas and provide additional resources. Proactive learning makes a big difference. For your final review, summarize each chapter's main points. This active recall method reinforces learning and helps you identify areas needing more attention. Take full-length practice tests under timed conditions to build stamina and manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Remember, consistent effort and smart study habits are your best tools for success. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.